Count with me. 1 orange. 1. 1 orange. 2 apples. 2. 2 apples. 3 avocados. 3. 3 avocados. 4 grapes. 4. 4 grapes. 5 mangoes. 5. 5 mangoes. 6 oranges. 6. 6 oranges. 7 apples. 7. 7 apples. 8 avocados. 8. 8 avocados. 9 mangoes. 9. 9 mangoes. 10 grapes. 10. 10 grapes. Review. Count the mangoes. How many are there? 3 mangoes. Count the apples. How many are there? 7 apples. Count the grapes. How many are there? 10 grapes. Count the avocados. How many are there? 8 avocados. Count the oranges. How many are there? 5 oranges. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to introduce us to your friends.